Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Anamosa, local and long distance movers near me. When you hire us, you gain access to all the necessary moving services, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you need to move 100 miles away or more, it is known as a long-distance move. This type of move might take you one state over or all the way across the country. No matter how far you need to go, our movers will make sure your things get there safely and on time. It might not seem like an Illinois moving company is necessary for a local move. You're just going down the road, but you still have to move all your things. This means packing up boxes, lifting furniture, and getting it all into and then out of a moving truck. It's a pretty big job. When you hire 3 movers, that big job becomes much smaller for you. We take the heavy lifting off your shoulders, and our team can handle even the largest local move in just one day. When it's time to hire a dependable moving company in Anamosa, it's time to call us. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Anamosa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.